Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on connections and then go down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. In here, tap on mobile hotspot switch to turn it on or off. So you can turn it on or off up here, or you can tap on the left hand side panel to go into mobile hotspot settings, and you can also turn them on or off at the top here. Now you can also turn on or turn off mobile hotspot by pulling down the quick settings panel by swiping down twice. In here, tap on mobile hotspot, and from here you can switch them on or off. Now, if you cannot find mobile hotspot from the quick settings shortcut, just swipe them across until you can locate mobile hotspot. Now, you might even need to tap on the add button to see if it is somewhere in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.